All my dear students, I shall discuss about in vector algebra. We have this question. First, the the sum of the distinct distinct the sum of the distinct real values of mu for for which for which the vectors for which the vectors mu I unit vector I plus j unit vector j plus unit vector k unit vector I plus mu unit vector j u into unit vector j plus unit vector k and unit vector I plus unit vector j plus mu into unit vector k are coplanar co coplanar coplanar is option number A -1, option number B 0, option number C 1, option number D 2. Option number D is 2. I T G main mathematics model set question. Model set question you have. Solution. The sum of the distinct real values of mu for which the vectors mu I unit vector plus j unit vector plus k unit vector comma I unit vector plus mu j unit vector plus k unit vector and I unit vector plus j unit vector plus mu k unit vector are coplanars. So this option is A -1 and option B 0 and option C 1 and option D 2. IITG main mathematics model set question. Solution. Here given that the here given given that the vectors here given that the vectors A is equal to mu unit vector I plus unit vector j unit vector k and vector B is equal to unit vector I plus mu j unit vector plus k unit vector and vector C is equal to unit vector I plus unit vector j plus unit vector mu into unit vector k. So unit vector A, comma unit vector B and unit vector C are coplanar such that the determinant of vector A and vector B and vector C is 0. So determinant of this is the coefficient of unit vector r is u and the coefficient of unit vector j is 1 and coefficient of unit vector k is 1. Similarly, the unit vector I coefficient 1 and unit vector j coefficient mu and unit vector k coefficient 1, and also unit vector c equal to unit vector I coefficient 1 and unit vector j coefficient 1 and unit vector k coefficient mu. So this vector A, B, C and coplanar such that the determinant of mu 1 1 1 mu 1 1 1 mu is equal to 0. This is the determinant expressed as plus minus plus. This is the determinant will be expressed as the sign plus minus plus will be the solve this determinant u of first row first column cancel, then u1 and 1 mu1 and 1 mu. Second column minus 1, this second column cancel and first row cancel, then 1 1 1 1 and 1 mu plus third column that is plus 1. This is the column first cancel, first row cancel, then 1 mu and 1 1 is equal to 0. This implies mu of mu square minus 1 of mu minus 1 plus 1 into 1 minus mu is equal to 0. This implies mu q minus mu plus 1 minus mu is equal to 0. This implies mu q minus 3 mu plus 2 is equal to 0. Mu q minus 3 mu plus 2 is equal to 0. By factorization mu is equal to 1, then the expression will be 0. Then the expression will be 1 to the power q minus 3 into 1 plus 2 is equal to 1 plus 2 minus 3 is equal to 0. This is the expression will be 0. So the factorization we have 1, coefficient of u cube is 1 and coefficient of u square that means 0 and coefficient of u that means minus 3 and constant term is 2. So the factorize 1 multiply 1 that means 1 1 1 1 1 ja 1 1 minus 2 this is 0. Then u minus 1 mu minus 1 into mu square plus mu minus 2 is equal to 0. Either mu minus 1 into mu square plus mu minus 2 is equal to 0. Either mu minus 1 is equal to 0, mu is equal to 1 and mu square plus mu minus 2 is equal to 0, mu square plus 2 mu minus mu is equal to 0. Mu into mu plus 2, mu plus 2 is equal to 0 minus 1. This implies mu minus 1 into mu plus 2 is equal to 0. Either mu minus 1 is equal to 0, mu is equal to 1, and also mu plus 2 is equal to 0, mu is equal to minus 2, mu is equal to minus 2. Then therefore the sum of all real number, therefore the sum of all real number is equal to 1, plus of minus 2 is equal to 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. This is the option number A is answer. That's all. Thank you very much.